Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a really fun box card for you. This is my Santa Claus box card. How jolly and happy is Santa Claus in this design? You've got him there waving to everybody. You have trees in the background, and then this fun poinsettia there in the front. It folds relatively flat for mailing, and there's a spot on the back for your message. Of course, there's an envelope as well. This one is really fun to put together, and I cannot wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. Okay, for this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your standard grip or light grip cutting mat, your scoring wheel or scoring stylus, weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know all the different materials that we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holidays with the Housewife 2024. If you're watching this video during the event, you can access the cut file from the event page at thebeardedhousewife.com/holiday-event. If you are a VIP access pass holder, the download button for the cut file is below this video. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, that gives you full access to all 12 event files, printable worksheets, bonus cut files, and commercial licensing, you can head to thebeardedhousewife.com/HWTH2024. I have links to all of these in the description box below. No matter how you get the cut file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Okay, now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into the canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this little icon here to drop down the layers. Highlight the top layer. Change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing to the outside box piece. Click on that icon, highlight the top layer, change them to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And lastly, the inside tab piece. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope, the outside box piece, and the inside tab piece, you can go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish along the score lines of the outside box piece. Just like that. Set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. We can flip the outside box piece over and attach the messaging panel to the back. Flip that back over and set that to the side. Now let's go ahead and layer the inside tab piece. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together, but you're going to start with the tree layer, then the solid maroon, then the skin tone, red, white, and then the red outline. Now before I layer this together, I'm going to fold and burnish the tabs on the inside tab piece. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. Alright, there is our inside tab piece. I'm going to set that to the side so it can go ahead and dry. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Again, refer to that layering guide for how to layer this together, but you're going to start with the cream color, green, yellow, and then red. And there we have our front cover panel. Set that to the side. Let's go ahead and grab our outside box piece and then our tab piece. I'm going to add glue to this left tab and then attach it to the left side here, making sure that I line up my edges as well as along that left score line. And now I will add glue to the right tab and just fold the box piece over. Fold the card both ways to make sure that everything is sitting properly. Just like that. Now I'm going to add glue to this left front tab and attach our front cover panel. And repeat for the other side. Give the card a fold. And there is our card. I am going to set that right there so it can go ahead and dry. Now we can go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip that inlay around. Place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. And with your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms your envelope. And our card is all set. How adorable is this little Santa Claus? Definitely a fun one to make and give. I think that anyone who gets this card is going to love it, and I hope that you do too. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I've got a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for me today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Bye-bye.